Welcome to Sapphire Kingdom Gemology. I am Anand Perera. This is our lesson 11. We are discussing here about navigating cutting errors, cutting mistakes, unveiling common defects and solutions. Look at this. This is the stone, but not well cut. Luster is very weak. After recutting, it comes like this. Good luster. See the difference here and here. This stone before recut, this is the stone weak luster. You can see this side is dull. After recutting, it gives this luster. After recut, good luster. So when we are cutting a gem, it should be, this is the proportional cut we learned earlier. This is wrong. Shallow, deep. Both are wrong. This is the correct cut. So we are discussing those. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like and share. Defects due to cutting errors, lesson 11. These are the reasons. If there is an error inside the cut, it gives light leak. Light leak, that is called window or open. So we have to think about this. The second one, no perfect facet meetings. Third error, too much of weight. That means not proportionally cut. It is a mistake. Bad polishing of facets. Another error. Color zoning or separating. Because of the cut, color is separating. Bad luster. These are the main errors we have to repair. So, come here. Look at this. When we see this, we can see the window from table. Because it is working like this. Light enters from the top, goes through the bottom, and through the bottom, light enters and go through from the table. So the reason is it is shallow. We have to recut. When it is recutting, the face is getting smaller. This is another problem because it is a deep cut. Bottom pavilion is very deep. So the light goes like this way. So this one, when we see in the top, we can see no luster here because light is leaking like the first one. So first and third are wrong. The second one is the correct one. Correct cut. Light goes through the window, through the table and reflect to the other side and again reflect to the table and goes there. Then the light comes with the color of the stone to our eye. This is the perfect cut. Now here, see all our windows. See this stone. This side, darker, bad luster. And here, see the difference. There are two parts in the same stone. Now look at here, tanzanite. Before recutting, it works like this. After recutting, it is this. So better one is this. This is no luster here. Look at here. Before, sapphire coranto. Oval native mix cut. Look at the stone. You can see some bottom facets are open. So light goes through the here, here, and here. Can you understand? This is the place. Window, open window is here. So we have to repair this. When it repairs, it comes like this. No problem here. After repairing, it is giving best luster. Now look at here. Another blue sapphire. Luster is very weak. Look at here. See the windows. No luster here. Oh, poor luster. After recutting, shape changed. We have to think about the shape, what we can do. And now here it is completely luster is given. So stone is beautiful here. More than this. This is the before cutting. This is after recutting. And this spinel, before cutting, luster is weak. Windows are there. So after recutting, the shape changes according to the length and the width. After that, it is giving the good luster here. Stone is beautiful. Look at this orange sapphire. Before, no luster, weak luster here. Windows are there. See here, windows. Opens are there. After recutting, it is like this. See the difference between these two, before and after. So we have to repair it. Now come here, spinel. Before the spinel, see the difference. Open here, it is a window. After recutting, it comes like this now with best luster. See the difference of this same stone. This tourmaline. Big window here. Can you see the other side through the stone? Big window. When it recuts, no luster here. When it recuts, it comes like this now. No light click, giving good luster. Look at this amethyst. Luster is not enough here. So we have to recut. After recutting, luster is given like this. Now see the difference between these two. See the beauty. This is spinel before. Try to understand the look like windows and openings in the bottom. Then recut it. Now giving the luster, best luster. Same stone. See the difference before and after recutting. See before and after spinel. Look at this. There is a big open here. That's why you can see it like this. We have to close this. We have to close this opening here. That means we have to recut. Then we can get the beautiful stone. See, before, luster is not enough. Here, after recutting, shape also changes. Then after recutting, proportionally cut. Look at the luster here. So, this is the mirror. When light comes to the mirror, it reflects. This is eye. All the light reflects properly. A well-polished facet that acts like a mirror. So, well-polished facet must be act like a mirror. Cutter is watching it with the 10x loop when it is cutting. The price of the stone is also very high because it shows the best appearance and good finish of the stone. These are the lenses using. Here, look at this. Badly polished facet works like the dim surface. This is badly polished facet. Then the light reflects to so many directions. So we can see when eye comes here, we can see the dull surface, not well polished surface. When we are watching through the 10x loop, we have to watch the polishing and the facet meetings also. After that, we have to discuss the price. If it is not well polished like this, need to repolish. So cabochons. This is the correct shape, correct proportion cabochon. This is incorrect. See the shape. If best well polished, it acts like this. If it is a rough stone, it reflects the light in this way. Then facet polishing is very important thing. Shows a dull appearance with reduced luster. The beauty of the stone also decreases. This condition is best seen through a 10x loupe or 10 times magnification lens. So look at here in this. In here, look at the facet meetings. This is top side, crown, and the pavilion. This is the Q line. All the facet meetings must be like this. Pin points, pin to pin. All the facet meetings must be like this. So buyers are watching these facet meetings and the bad polishing, everything. So best facet meetings compulsory to get the big beauty of the stone. Look at here. This stone is too low. That is the mistake here. And look at this aquamarine. Both are light leak. There is an open in both stones. So we have to close the window. We have to recut. And this stone, pavilion is heavy. And the girdle thickness is not even. Another error. And culet is off to the right side. Culet should be the center here. This is the place we should need the culet, but it is off. This error called off culet. So this is more concave than this side. So this is wrong. We have to recut. Badly cut. Bad cut. Light should reflect from every facet of the stone like a mirror reflects. It is compulsory. When viewed with the 10x lens, the unpolished spots are best seen. Need to repolish that all facets to get the full beauty of the stone. Green sapphire, you can see this place and this place is open. There are light leaks, 2 light leaks. So we have to recut this. We have to close these 2 windows. And here also color zoning. This side and that side. Color zoning because of the cutting error. Color is dividing. Color zoning here also. No luster in this. Because of this big window. No luster there. So we have to recut. Without recutting, we can't get the price. Then the summary is light leak, it is windows. Light goes through the stone to the other side. That is called window or open. No perfect facet meetings. Too much of weight. That means no proportionally cut. Bad polishing of facets. Color zoning or separating. Bad luster. These are the learned summary. You should know very well that the stone cut after removing these defects can fetch the maximum price easily. Then it is a talking stone and soon it sells. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe once and give like and share and comment. Join us, learn and enrich your future. We will meet in the next part, lesson 12.